This is stuff that I don't know.
These are microorganisms
Yeah.
from pond water, essentially.
Wow, there's a whole bunch of them.
I know, isn't it
And the
crazy?
camera can barely see all these.
Sorry,
They're
I'm
all the way
trying.
up. All right, I got it. I pointed the camera up more.
There we go. These are swimming organisms in rainwater that's been sitting for a while. Right? How long? Couple weeks?
Yeah. Just about.
Mm-hmm.
Just about 3 or 4 weeks.
Mm-hmm. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's hard to keep still.
See?
Wow. And we're using Vincent's laser pointers to shine through a drop of suspended water. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And it is magnifying it so that you can see the single-celled organisms in the rainwater.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see them swimming around. And they seem to get a little bit more hyper or agitated the longer this laser stays on there. I don't know if that's coincidence or maybe the laser aggravates them. I don't know, but this is hard. I have to let go.
All right, then do it.
Okay.
All right, guys, that's it. Bye, everybody.